Okay, so here we are logged into Canvas again. So again, you'll probably only have this class. If not, you'll want to look for the proficiency testing class and then go to quizzes, or it may actually be linked here. And then we're going to go into the demo quiz. You can try the demo quiz to practice your recording. So I'm going to go into demo quiz. So again, I already started this quiz. If I hadn't, it would say begin quiz. You click on that, and then here we are in the quiz. So we already did the first part. Click on the panopto button below in the editor. Download and install panopto if you don't have it on your computer. We did that. Start recording. So that's where we are now. We're going to do a video recording, and that's what these video instructions will be. Then you're going to complete all the questions verbally according to the instructions in the questions. Then you're going to stop and save your panopto recording. And then you're going to type done in this essay question and submit it, and then submit the quiz. And actually there's another question at the end just to make sure you did save your recording, because if you don't save your recording, you'll have to do it again. So again, here we are. We're going to select panopto recording. So we're going to have to choose a recorder, choose a folder, sorry. And why is it not showing up? Okay, so if, like you just saw, you didn't see that the assignment folder, you might need to go back and click on Panopto Recordings. That will log you into Panopto, and then you can go back to the quiz. Or just do that first. So we're going to resume quiz. Okay, here we are again. Click on the Panopto link. Choose a folder. So there's your class. If you notice it's grayed out, you have to click on the triangle and then select that. Okay, so that is where you want to save it, so that it will be in the class so the teacher can look at it. Only the teacher will be able to see it. And then you're going to click on record, and so I'm just going to put in my name, Daffy Duck, and then I'm going to click on record. So I'm going to say, remember this choice for Panopto, open Panopto. Okay, so here we are. Here's our Panopto thing, and there I am. You didn't know Daffy Duck looked like this, did you? And I'm out of focus. Hopefully your webcam is autofocus. So I don't know if your teacher wants you to, but your teacher may want you to hold up your identification so they can see you are who you really are. I don't know. You'll have to go by whatever the teacher says. So you notice here, whoa, we got a pretty good volume. I can actually probably bring that down just a tad. And the PC camera is selected. If you have more than one microphone, you can select that. This happens just to be accepting my microphone. Hopefully it won't mess up the recording on the video. And then you're not going to have a PowerPoint, so you can uncheck that. If you have more than one screen, you can check both of those. It'll record your screen. So anyway, basically once you get all that set up, make sure that you're getting at least in the green and up to the yellow, hopefully, for your audio. And you put your name on, you'll get a chance to change it later. Then you click record. So now you can see it's recording. So once that's happening, you can go ahead and minimize that, and then come back here. Let's see how that's going to work. This box will be placed, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so hopefully this works. Anyway, so then you're going to come to the questions. Question 1, translate sponge into Spanish. I'm sorry, I can't do that. I don't know what sponge is in Spanish. In French, it might be l'éponge or something like that. And then I'm going to translate corazon into English, so that's heart. And so on and so forth. There'll be a bunch of questions. This is just an example. And then have you saved your recording and submitted the essay question at the beginning of the quiz? So you're going to want to come back, bring back your panopto screen. So here we are. We've done the quiz. We've recorded everything. I'm going to stop that. Recording complete. If you forgot to put your name in properly, you can put your name in there. If you want to put a description, you can. And then you can upload the recording. We'll come back and look at that in a moment. And let's see here. I guess we don't have an actual save button. So have you saved the recording and submitted the essay question? We'll assume that it saves. We'll check it out. True. Submit quiz. So there we go. And it looks like it worked. Let's take a look at the recording. So it is processing right now. I'm going to go ahead and pause, and then we'll come back when it's finished processing and just make sure it worked. Okay, so we're back, and it's processed. So you can actually just click View from here, and it will bring up the panopto window. So now you can see it's recording. So once that's happening, you can go ahead and minimize that, and then come back here. Let's see how that's going. So anyway, you can see that it worked. You probably couldn't hear me talking, but I could hear me talking. So that's how you go about it. You can practice this again if you wish. The demo quiz is available for multiple attempts. And you can practice until you get it all down, and then you should be good.